In this System.io review, you will find out if this free all-in-one tool can replace ClickFunnels, Kajabi, email marketing tools, and even your CRM. I've had 5 years of experience using System.io to help entrepreneurs and small businesses streamline their processes online as a freelancer. So this isn't just a surface-level review. I'll be sharing my real experience, breaking down features, pricing, pros and cons, and giving you insider tips to get the most out of System.io. Timestamps and the link to sign up for the free forever plan of this software are in the description below. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss future reviews and tutorials on the best marketing and CRM tools. What is System.io? System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to replace the need for multiple tools. Instead of paying separately for ClickFunnels, MailChimp, WordPress, Teachable, or even a CRM, System.io combines everything under one roof. With System.io, you get sales funnels, email marketing, a drag-and-drop website builder, membership sites, marketing automation, affiliate program management, and a built-in CRM system. That means you can run your entire online business without juggling a dozen subscriptions. It's popular among solopreneurs, small businesses, course creators, and digital marketers who want something simple, affordable, and effective. Plus, System.io is available in multiple languages and even has a free plan, making it one of the most accessible tools on the market right now. Core features of System.io. Feature 1. Sales Funnel Builder. System.io Funnel Builder is one of my favorite tools on this platform. It comes with a drag-and-drop editor that makes it super easy to design high-converting pages without touching code. You'll also find ready-made funnel templates for things like lead generation, sales pages, product launches, and even webinars. Feature 2. Email Marketing. Unlike most platforms that limit how many emails you can send, System.io allows unlimited email sending, even on the free plan. You can create automation triggers and workflows to nurture leads, follow up with customers, or re-engage inactive subscribers. Plus, it uses tag-based segmentation so that you can send laser-targeted emails based on behavior and interests. Feature 3. Website and Blog Builder. System.io also doubles as a website and blog builder. You can connect your custom domains, publish SEO-friendly blog posts, and build an online presence that ranks in Google. The pages are optimized for fast loading speed, which means a smoother user experience and higher conversions. Feature 4. CRM and Contact Management. Another core feature is the built-in CRM and contact management system. You can store leads with tags and segments, view their purchase history, and track exactly where they are in your funnel. This makes it easy to personalize communication and know which leads are ready to buy. Feature 5. Membership sites and online courses. If you're a course creator or coach, you'll love the membership site and online course features. You can host your courses directly inside System.io, deliver drip content over time, and integrate payment options for recurring subscriptions or one-time offers. It's a simple way to build and monetize a knowledge-based business without extra tools. Feature 6. Automation and Workflows. You can set up trigger-based actions, like sending an email, applying a tag, or enrolling someone into a campaign. System.io even supports evergreen webinars and campaign sequencing, so your marketing runs on autopilot while you focus on scaling. Feature 7. Affiliate Program Management. With System.io, you can create your affiliate program, track referrals in real time, and set up easy commission payouts. This is perfect if you want to build a team of affiliates promoting your products. Feature 8. Unlimited sub-accounts. Finally, a massive bonus for agencies and freelancers. System.io offers unlimited sub-accounts on all plans. That means you can manage multiple businesses or client accounts under one dashboard, without paying a dime for each one. Pros and cons of System.io. Pros: all-in-one solution. The biggest pro for me is that System.io is truly an all-in-one platform. Instead of paying for separate tools like ClickFunnels, MailChimp, WordPress, and Teachable, you can run everything: funnels, email, websites, courses, and automations from one dashboard. Affordable pricing. Another huge plus is the pricing. Compared to other platforms, System.io is incredibly cost-effective. Even the free plan gives you enough tools to start building funnels and running email campaigns without spending a dime. Beginner-friendly and intuitive. If you're new to digital marketing, the platform is super beginner-friendly. The drag-and-drop builder, automation rules, and email editor are easy to learn, even if you've never built a funnel before. Unlimited emails and generous limits. Unlike most competitors, System.io allows unlimited email sending on all plans, plus generous limits on contacts, funnels, and members. That's a huge money saver for small businesses. Agency and multi-project friendly. As someone who manages multiple projects, I love the unlimited sub-accounts feature. It means I can separate client work, personal projects, and test funnels without buying multiple subscriptions. Cons: Limited design customization. On the downside, while the page builder is solid, the design customization is limited compared to WordPress or Webflow. If you're after pixel-perfect, highly customized designs, you may feel a bit restricted. Not as advanced as dedicated tools. While System.io covers a lot of ground, it's not as advanced as specialized tools. For example, its email marketing isn't as powerful as ActiveCampaign, and its CRM isn't as sophisticated as HubSpot CRM. It's a jack of all trades, but not always the master of one. System.io pricing plans. Free plan. System.io has one of the most generous free plans in the market. You get 3 sales funnels with 15 funnel steps, 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails, and even the ability to sell 1 membership site. Honestly, it's more than enough for beginners to launch their first online business without paying a cent. Startup plan, 17 a month. Next is the startup plan at 17 per month. This unlocks 10 funnels, 5,000 contacts, custom domains, and automation rules. It's ideal if you're just starting to grow your audience, or if you're a freelancer running small projects. Webinar plan, $47 a month. The webinar plan at $47 a month is a sweet spot for course creators and consultants. It includes 50 funnels, 10,000 contacts, 5 membership sites, and access to evergreen webinars. If you sell digital products or online courses, this plan gives you everything you need. Unlimited plan, $97 a month. Finally, there's the unlimited plan at $97 a month. As the name suggests, you get unlimited funnels, unlimited membership sites, unlimited automation rules, and unlimited file storage. Plus, you can manage multiple businesses with the unlimited sub-accounts feature. This is the plan I recommend for entrepreneurs who want to take their business to the next level. To wrap up, based on my years of experience using System.io, I can confidently say it's one of the best free all-in-one digital marketing tools available today. It gives you everything you need to run an online business: funnels, email marketing, websites, membership sites, automations, and even affiliate program management, all in one place. However, while its built-in CRM tools are incredibly easy to use and perfect for beginners or small businesses, they're not as advanced or sophisticated as something like HubSpot's free CRM. But here's the thing. If you're just starting out, System.io is more than enough to manage your contacts, track sales, and run campaigns without overwhelming you. That's why I recommend it especially for solopreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners who want an affordable, all-in-one platform that works. If you want to try System.io, I've left a link in the description below where you can get started for free today. And before you go, if this review helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future reviews and tutorials on the best marketing and CRM tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.